For our next section, we're going to be matching the shapes to the shape names. Each shape has its own arrow that matches its color. What you're going to do is you're going to click on the arrow so that there is a blue dot at the top and the bottom. Then you're going to take your mouse over top the bottom blue circle so that your mouse turns into a T. Watch that one more time. Here's my regular mouse, and when I go over top the blue circle, it turns into a T. That's how I know that I have the right mouse placement. I'm going to click and hold my mouse button and drag it to the name of the shape, which I see right here is cube. When I have it exactly where I want it, I'm going to let go, and then the arrow becomes long and goes to the shape name that I want it to go to. If you happen to mess up and take your arrow by the wrong spot like that, then just put it back where it was and try again, this time making sure that it has a T before you click and drag it around. When you're all done with the arrows, watch the next direction video for the last part of our Google Classroom.